Celestia is on a roll. They might even be bigger than Injective soon. But Celestia, the reason why they're doing so well, from as far as I could tell, I mean, they're very promising, of course. All these chains are very promising. But the most important thing about Celestia is their data availability layer, which they're integrating with everyone. The easiest way to think about this is Celestia is one gigantic hard drive, and it's very easy to access, very cheap to access, and all the access points, all the chains that are integrated kind of like have this bridge, basically, where they can access data throughout Celestia that could be from other chains. So, I mean, that's the best way to look at it. So, look at this. So, they're integrating with Polygon, right? Another one, Manta Pacific, that someone just asked me about recently, also adopting their data availability layer. Arbitrum adopting their data availability layer. So, it's like all these guys, all these L2s, right, are all adopting Celestia. So that's awesome. The more they use it, the better it is for Celestia, right? And that's why you could see wallets are going up, staking wallets going up, almost 12,000 fresh staking wallets in a single day. That's awesome. And of course, their volume and everything else is going up as well. So, I mean, there's not really any one particular thing that's driving them up, like especially today, but it's just a combination of things. So Celestia obviously had a really good 2023 year, but I think they could have a fantastic 2024. Let's see where they are now. I mean, they were up like 30% this morning. Okay, they're still up 21%. Okay, they're just amazing. They're just killing it, absolutely killing it right now. Cosmos has been really hot. A lot of you guys know. A lot of chains within Cosmos, Celestia, Injective, Say, they have all been blowing up, right? Now, what is the biggest DEX within Cosmos is Osmosis. So it makes sense that a lot of people are trading these coins, right? If they go do it in a decentralized manner, where do they go do it? Osmosis. So it's going to gain strength. So I've been talking about that for a while. So Osmosis, just so you guys know, has hit $1 billion in monthly volume. So obviously, because of all the interest in the Cosmos chains, right, it's been doing well. Its TVL is going upwards, nowhere close to its previous high. But again, neither is Osmosis' price. It's now nowhere close. The two kind of moves in tandem. So there's still plenty of room to grow, right? But it is blowing up. Number of users, again, you could see starting to blow up. The number of people staking within the liquidity pools in Osmosis is going up, okay? And recently they partnered up with this other project called Yumi, who is a borrowing and lending protocol. So that allows people to do those things, right? So just want to give you guys a quick update on Osmosis because you got such strength from the Cosmos ecosystem right now, right? Say is the latest to gain a lot of strength. Celestia yesterday had a huge day. You have Injective, that's the biggest gainer second biggest gainer of 2023. So pay attention to these L1s from Cosmos. They're all doing very well. And I think Osmosis will do well too this year. Merit Circle announces a new VC partner, which means that they're going to have a whole bunch of cash. Okay, Beam is one of the up-and-coming chains of 2023. They had a phenomenal year, 2024, probably just as phenomenal. They're all focused. They're focused on games. Mostly games. They have some that's not, but mostly games. That's why I like it, because I think some of these games are going to be fantastic to go drive in a ton of people into this space. And here's one. Haven's Compass is coming to Beam, right? So they keep on boarding more and more games. And overall, I think that's going to be a tremendous thing for them and for all their partners. Keep in mind, Beam is a subnet on Avalanche. So the bigger Beam gets, the stronger they get, the better it is for Avalanche as well. Okay, so they're all doing, I don't know, they're all doing well, but they're doing well. Let's just say they're doing well. So say, or C, I think it's C, but it's people say it's say. But you know, look at how strong they are. Even with today's dip, say is still up 11%. They are strong. I covered them a few days ago, and since then they're up like 20%. But you know, I think it's just the beginning. I said say out of Cosmos could be the next Injective or be the next Celestia. In fact, I think they're higher than Celestia now. So they're not the next Celestia. They're already bigger. They could be the next Injective. And if they keep going, they could be the next Solana. So why do I think so? Well, there's a couple reasons. Number one, they're out of Cosmos. That means IBC is enabled. They support CosmWasm, which is the programming language and execution language within Cosmos. But also, their V2 allows EVM too. So dApps can come aboard utilizing Ethereum Virtual Machine or CosmWasm, so it's kind of both, right? And there's rumors that they may even support Solana too next. So they're trying to incentivize all these dApps to come aboard, which is quite interesting. But also, you know, I mentioned about Solana, their TVL going up, and a lot of it is due to Jitto, which is a liquid staking platform. You know what? Say also has one. They're called Kryptonite. Sailor is just symbol. Which is, someone asked me about this the other day, and I didn't know. I thought Sailor, I'm like, that has to be a meme or something, right? No, it's actually a symbol for Kryptonite, which is their liquid staking platform. It's relatively small, under, you know, very little right now, but look at them. They pumped us 66% today. Only 57 million in market cap. So actually, Kryptonite is one to watch out for, because if Say continue to get stronger and stronger and stronger, then everything within Say is going to get stronger, such as Kryptonite. So that's another one, another alpha for you guys that went up a lot today, but you know, you don't want to FOMO in when something's up 66%. You want to let it cool, but definitely keep it on your radar. And for those of you guys that love memes and anime, right? They have their own meme coin that's called Saiyan. I love Dragon Ball. I love Dragon Ball. So they actually have their own meme coin. Even though the meme coin did not do well today, it's down 29%. Okay, but they have their meme. So kind of like following in Solana's footsteps, right? Definitely have the momentum right now. I didn't even talk about like the, you know, the speed and low latency and so forth. They have one of the lowest finality times, which means everything is settled really quickly. So in terms of just like the technical aspects to Say, really good. You could argue maybe even better than Solana. But they're following the same footsteps. TVL's going up. They have a new meme, right? They have their liquid staking, so that's why they're doing well. And there could be a lot of whales buying them right now, which is another reason. So pay attention to Say and the things within like Kryptonite that could be explosive in the future.